you want to drink last minute water because you're a water person.
So that's the water then.
We don't drive. You can't. Schools close down. Business close down. Realize what's wrong with this guy. Very rare. And then we get into the
So famous.
So we don't see snow too often. Yeah.
We're gonna try chicken gumbo from Gumbo Shop. Here we go.
You gotta look up, man.
I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm giving you shit.
Pretty good.
You approve.
Hey, can we chop the branches off?
You have to reach down there and get it.
You can't go nowhere. Your seat belted down, and you gotta look at this one. They got bigger.
They want to see it up there.
They got bigger ones over there.
I know, but they want to see it. Let them have their pictures.
Now, guys, this is a 1.5-year-old alligator. Okay. Now, this is a baby alligator. This is how small they are. Just figure half that size when they first born. Now, this guy right here, he likes to be petted. As y'all can see, look at that. He likes that. Not only that, he's gonna feel the sunlight. Might get a little more active. Now to hold him, put him here first, but
We don't.
I know. Started wrong.
I thought you were giving.
Alligator, come on now. But as y'all know, guys, this is not an alligator tour. Y'all do know that, right? This is a swamp.
Alright, you guys, now we are visiting the crypt and tombs in New Orleans.
Well, the good thing is you're not paying for upkeep. Who's gonna be? Because well, your turn. They gotta.
that's Bourbon Street. Wait, Tammy,
What?
what did you think of that guy sticking out his...
I don't know. I didn't see anything.
You liar.
I know you were staring at people.
No, it
You're like
wasn't.
a pervert staring at people.
Damn, you're the one
I have no
videoing
idea.
them.
I have no idea, babe. I don't know what you're talking about.
Liar.